Hello students. Now today we are discussing about the NLP. Before going to start natural language processing, we all know about the language. So the very first question is, what is language? And a language is a method of communication with the help of which we can speak, read and write. Natural language processing is a subfield of computer science that deals with the artificial intelligence which enable computers to understand, interpret the human language. Now we can say that the NLP is a part of computer science, human language and artificial intelligence. That is a technology used by machine to understand, interpret or manipulate the human languages. It helps users to organize for performing tasks such as a speech recognition, relation extraction, and automatic summarization, named entity recognition. So there is a diagram which shows the NLP is a intersection of all that fields: computer science, artificial intelligence, and human language. Now we will discuss about the history of NLP. Basically, we divide the NLP history in four phases. The very first phase started late 1940s to late 1960s. In this period, the main focus on the work done on machine translation. The research on NLP started early 1950s. After Booth and Richard's investigation, Weber's memorandum on a machine translation in 1949. In the year of 1954, the limited experiment on automation translation from Russian English demonstrator in the Georgetown IBM experiment, and the very first international conference held in 1952, and the second one is in 1956. And the 1961, the work presented in the Teddington International Conference on Machine Translation and Applied Languages. And the second phase, this phase is also called the AI flavored phase. Start in late 1960s and to late 1970s. In this phase, basically the work done is related to the knowledge and its role to construct and manipulate the meaning representation. That's why this phase is called AI phase. In the early 1916, the work basically based on the addressing and constructing the data or knowledge base. In the same time, or in the same year, baseball question answering system was also developed. The much advanced system was described in 1968. This system, when compared with to baseball question answering system, was recognized, and the knowledge base interface is in the frame. And the third phase, grammatical-logical phase. This phase can describe the grammatical phase. Due to the failure of practical building in the last phase, the researchers moved towards the use of logic or knowledge representation and reasoning in AI. And the last phase, that is start from the 90s. This phase is also called the lexical or corpus phase. Basically, corpus is a collection of text, or we can say the large amount or huge amount of data sets. We can describe this lexical and corpus phase. This phase had lexicalized approach to grammar that appeared in the late 90s, become increasing influences. There was a revolution in the NLP in these decades with the introduction of machine learning algorithm for language processing. Now, thank you so much. We will discuss NLP phases in next video.